I gotta
Can
find
I go
some
for
good
ag?
aluminum. This'll do. Okay. I'm gonna make a heart. Out of green
No.
aluminum. Haha.
What?
Said haha.
What? That one's really bad.
Shut up, Mary. You're really bad. Oh, this one is really bad.
That's a fucked up part.
I'll fix it. It's lopsided.
Lob.
Love. Do you mind?
Sorry, all you had were AAAs.
Like your chest.
Oh, what?
No.
Well, at least I can't kill people with mine.
Okay, I fixed it.
Yeah, you shove a guy's head into your boobs, he can get lost in
Shut
there.
the hell up. And that is how you make aluminum hearts. And this is Charlotte, who I'm going to kill, and you'll no longer see in the videos. Goodbye.